Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to or welcome back to Islamic Kids National. Today, we're going to learn the dua that we say when we break our fast. This is a very important dua in Ramadan. But first, let's quickly recap what fasting is. Remember, fasting is one of the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam. It means that we do not eat or drink anything from sunrise to sunset. After a long day of fasting without eating or drinking, we Muslims from all around the world sit down at the dinner table at Maghrib time and break our fast together. Remember, this time is called iftar. But did you know that before eating we should make the dua that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us? The dua to say is, repeat after me. Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu. This means, O Allah, I fasted for you and I believe in you and I put my trust in you and I break my fast with your sustenance. Let's repeat this one more time. Repeat after me. Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu. Saying this dua is a great way to end your day of fasting. Did you know that the dua you make at the time of breaking your fast is one of the times that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept your dua? So be sure to make lots of dua at the time of iftar. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for anything that you wish for, such as forgiveness, good health, patience while fasting, and also make dua for others, for your family and friends. Make dua for those who are going through difficult times. To end our day of fasting, it is sunnah to break our fast with water and dates. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that whoever has dried dates, then let them break their fast with that. And whoever does not, then let them break their fast with water. For indeed, water is purifying. Now let's recite this dua that we just learned one more time, so that it can better help us to memorize. Repeat after me. Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu. Make sure to practice this at home with your family members so you can memorize it. And that brings us to the end of this video, kids. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, harmony, and countless blessings. And I'll see you inshallah in the next video, friends. Goodbye!